This is the Corsair One i500, and on paper, it's basically saying why choose between power, silence, and a small desk footprint when you can have all three. But here's the thing, after spending real time digging into this machine, there are a few details Corsair doesn't exactly shout about in the marketing. So the big question is this tiny powerhouse actually worth your hard-earned cash, or is it more flex than function? Let's talk about it. Corsair One i500 product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the Corsair One i500, a premium compact desktop PC from Corsair, released in late 2024, and it's aimed squarely at people who want flagship-level performance without a massive gaming tower. Think high-end gamers, creators, streamers, or professionals who just don't want a giant box under their desk. The big selling point here is simple. Top-tier Intel and NVIDIA hardware, all packed into a sleek, living room-friendly chassis with custom liquid cooling. It's not cheap, pricing puts it firmly in luxury territory, but Corsair is betting that design, silence, and reliability justify the premium. Corsair One i500 performance. So, with configurations featuring Intel's high-end Core i9 and NVIDIA RTX 4080 or 4090 class GPUs, the Corsair One i500 chews through modern games at 4K without breaking a sweat. We're talking maxed-out settings, ray tracing on, buttery smooth frame rates. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Alan Wake 2 feel effortless here. But it's not just a gaming box. I threw heavy workloads at it. 4K video editing, large photo exports, multitasking with way too many Chrome tabs, and it stayed snappy the entire time. What surprised me most? The consistency. No thermal throttling spikes, no random fan ramp-ups. Corsair's cooling solution keeps performance stable even under sustained load, which is huge if you're rendering or streaming for hours at a time. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this thing special. First up, the custom liquid cooling. Both the CPU and GPU are liquid-cooled with independent loops. Why should you care? Because it means quieter operation and more consistent performance compared to most air-cooled pre-builts. You can game late at night without sounding like a jet engine. Second is the compact chassis. This PC is shockingly small for what's inside it. That means it fits comfortably on or under a desk, or even in a minimalist setup where a full tower would feel out of place. Third is factory-tuned reliability. Corsair doesn't just cram parts in here, they tune power delivery, airflow, and thermals as a system. For users who don't want to build, tweak, and troubleshoot, this It Just Works experience is a massive win. And finally, front I/O and connectivity are solid. Easy access USB ports, modern Wi-Fi, and enough expansion for most users without feeling cluttered. Design and build. Aesthetically, Corsair knocked it out of the park. The anodized aluminum chassis feels dense, premium, and purpose-built. This doesn't scream gamer PC unless you want it to. The RGB lighting is subtle and tasteful, not over the top. It also feels incredibly solid. No panel flex, no cheap plastics, and the vertical design helps with airflow while keeping the footprint small. That said, it's not really meant to be opened and upgraded frequently. This is more of an appliance-style PC. Beautiful, refined, and designed to stay exactly how it is. Pros. Incredible flagship-level performance. Gorgeous, compact, premium design. Excellent thermal consistency and reliability. Cons. Very expensive compared to DIY builds. Not ideal for hardcore PC tinkerers. Final verdict. Look, if you're a high-end gamer or creator who wants top-tier performance without building a PC, this is a no-brainer. It's powerful, quiet, beautiful, and genuinely feels like a luxury product. You're paying extra for engineering, thermals, and peace of mind, and for some people, that's absolutely worth it. But if you're someone who loves upgrading parts every year, or if you're on a tighter budget, you'll get more raw value from a custom build or a larger pre-built. Bottom line is, the Corsair One i500 isn't trying to be the best deal, it's trying to be the best experience, and in that lane, it absolutely delivers.